This is a Do It Best padlock. I believe it's an aluminum lock. It's just the 2 elements. Part number is, get this on the back, 1840DDIB. It is an aluminum padlock, costs $7.99. $8.65 with tax. That's what the back says. Wow, that's pretty light. That's lighter than a brass one. I mean, aluminum is bright. There's sheen to it. Nice. That's how it is. Okay. It's shimmable. Get in there and shim it. What the lock looks like. Depends. The bidding. See if I can pick it. One's loose. Two's loose. Gotta click out of 3. 4's loose. That's 1 loose, 2's loose. One loose. Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to go in here. If I had those pins reset, I'm just going to apply just one, a little bit of tension. I'm trying to learn the tensions on this, on picking locks, third weekend, and doing this. So this is completely locked. I can't open it. And I'm going to just apply just enough. One's loose. I'm going to go to pin 2, and that's where it was at. I had just picked. I must have had already the other pins set. That's what I'm guessing. Okay, well, that was fun. Pretty easy. Just make sure everything opens. Kind of has a little sticky to it because I get here and I have to go all the way. I want to see if I can. Alright. Cool. Can't just get in there and get a pick in there and pop it open. Well, that's it, guys. That's to do it. Padlock. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing I'll see you next time.